Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you bid traffic review. So what actually is bid traffic? Guys, bid traffic is a revolutionary software that lets you create and run profitable video campaigns in under 60 seconds. Creator of this software, Bid Traffic, Shabbir Khan and Mushtaq Ahmed. This software goes live on 3rd of September, 11 a.m. EST. Right now, I'm in the members area of this software, Bid Traffic. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this software, Bid Traffic. I'm going to show you everything and I'm going to show you also a quick demo, guys. So please don't skip this video before watching demo. So guys, stay tuned. Right now, I'm just going to jump on the sales page of the software Bid Traffic. Turn video into water webinar. This is the sales page of this software Bid Traffic. You can see start earning high ticket income in 24 hours. Revolutionize your marketing. Create affiliate and webinar style campaigns in 60 seconds. Dominate high ticket markets effortlessly. Run high ticket video campaigns in any niche without creating videos. Beginner friendly yet powerful enough for experts. Collect leads, automate sales, and up to $500 to $1,000 per high ticket sale. And how actually works this software? I'm going to show you everything, guys, about this software Bid Traffic. This is how actually works this software. This is very easy to use software, and how to create a campaign. I'm going to show the details, guys. Okay, and unleash your marketing potential today. No need to create products, no need to convincing PayPal. 100% sales automation system about this software Bid Traffic, and price only $16 one time payment and once and use forever this software, and very low one time price right now. Also this software have audios. I'm going to show you all the audios and bundle deal of this software, guys, so stay tuned. Right now I'm just going to jump the members area. Here is the members area. You can see the Bid Traffic. Right now I'm going to show you quick demo, then I'm going to show you all other information that the put the vendor on the sales page. Also I'm going to show you all the OTOs, upsells and downsells of this software Bid Traffic. So at first let's see the demo video.
Hey guys, this is Shabbir Khan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an auto webinar like campaign from any video under 60 seconds using Bid Traffic. This is the Bid Traffic dashboard, and I'll go to create new campaign button, and I'm going to add the title here. Now before I get started, I'll just start this stopwatch and see how fast this campaign can be created. So I'll click start, go back, I'll copy the title from here, I'll paste the title, I'll put 333 as milliseconds. I'm going to choose Vimeo here. I'll copy the Vimeo ID. And here I'm going to write get instant access. Here I'm going to add my affiliate link, which I copied from here. And I'll choose autoplay. I'm going to click create new project. And the project has just been created. And I'm going to click this I sign. And you see,
all right, ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Welcome. I see the room is filling up nicely. Welcome. Hey, Johnny.
So you see this, this entire campaign has been created in less than 60 seconds. So this is the power of Bid Traffic. Thank you for watching.
Okay, my friend, I hope you fully understand about this software Bid Traffic. Okay, I think you fully understand. This is very easy to use. You can easily generate traffic from video and leads and sales. Okay, so I'm just going to jump the sales page here, Bid Traffic. There's a lots of information for the vendor about this software Bid Traffic. You can say get all the information before purchase this software, guys. Click the link in my video description below. Just consider the link. Here is you can see lots of information. This is time consuming manual work, no need to time consuming, lack of marketing expert. This is very easy to use this software, and you can easily collect leads and generate sales, convert any video into an auto webinar without any hassles in 60 seconds, and start generating leads and sales on autopilot. And how actually works it, you already understand. 3 simple steps to works this software. Okay guys, and here is you can see, I'm just quickly introduce this bid traffic software. Okay, this is the creator Shabbir and Mustaq. They launched lots of software together on Aura Plus Marketplace. This is also another one. And your time investment is protected by their 30-day money back guarantee. That means this is 100% money back guarantee. So this is 100% risk-free product, risk-free software, guys. You have got nothing to lose. Okay, and collect leads and automate your sales process effortlessly, all at an amazingly affordable price point. Okay guys, and do you have any questions? Your question answer is available here. You can see, is BitTraffic a cloud-based software? Absolutely yes, this is 100% cloud-based software. You can see all the features of this software. Okay, you can see everything. Okay, and here is the upgrade options and bundle price of this software. I am just going to show you $397. This is the one-time payment and you can use forever. Okay, and also this software have OTO's price is $47, $67 and $97. This is the OTOs, and if you purchase this one time and use forever lifetime deal is $397, the bundle deal. And that's it guys, this is the quick overview of this software BitTraffic. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who are actually struggling to generate traffic. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's just say if you think you see you soon in my next video.